Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can keep QuickBooks Online in a classic view. So, QuickBooks updates its layout pretty often, and sometimes the new interface can feel confusing. But don't worry, you can switch back to the classic style in just a few clicks. So, you need to go ahead and simply open up a browser and then in the search bar search for QuickBooks.com and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, you'll be able to find a settings like icon right over here. Simply tap onto it. And just like that, inside settings, you'll be able to find switch from business view to accountant view. Simply tap on this option. And just like that, this view is the one that closely matches the classic QuickBooks layout. After you click the button, the page will reload automatically. Once it refreshes, you will notice the navigation and menus look like the older version, classic layout instead of a newer business view. And that's it. That is how you can keep QuickBooks Online in the classic view easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.